Hello, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to make Tuscan Schiacciata bread. It's considered the focaccia of Tuscany. The difference is it is slightly thinner and more salty. Start by measuring out your ingredients. Salt, yeast, water, combine those ingredients, and olive oil. Measure out your flour and then add it. Place your bowl on the stand mixer using the dough hook on the slowest speed. Mix until a ball forms. Once a ball forms, knead it with your hands for 6 minutes. Place the dough into a well-oiled bowl. Make sure the entire dough ball is covered in oil. And cover with a warm, damp tea cloth. Place it in a warm spot and let it rise till it doubles in size. Once risen, go ahead and knead the dough again for 2 minutes. Place it back in the bowl and cover it. Put it back in a warm spot, let it rise till it doubles in size. Knead it one more time for 2 minutes and cover it till it doubles again. On a well-oiled baking sheet, spread the dough as thin as you can get it. Cover it and let it rise in a warm spot for another 45 minutes. Brush on the extra virgin olive oil and cover it with flaky sea salt. Place it in your preheated 375-degree oven for 25 minutes up to 35 minutes. Remove it from your oven once you've reached a nice golden brown color. Place it on a cooling rack. Enjoy! Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe below.